How to use ChatGPT to write an ebook. Step-by-step guide. Are you aspiring to become an author but find the process of writing and publishing a book daunting? Our How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT Video Training course is designed to guide you through a simplified process of ebook creation, making your journey from a blank page to a published author a breeze. Here's a glimpse of what you'll uncover in this transformative training. Automate ebook writing with ChatGPT. Discover how to utilize ChatGPT to automate the process of writing, making it faster and more efficient. Whether you're writing fiction or non-fiction, learn how to harness the AI's capabilities to generate creative and informative content effortlessly. Master ChatGPT for ebook content creation. Delve into the functionalities of ChatGPT and learn how to command the AI to draft, edit, and format your ebook. Our training videos provide a hands-on approach to mastering ChatGPT for content creation. Profitable niche selection. Learn how to identify profitable niches using free tools and understand the market demand to ensure your ebook gains the traction it deserves. Skyrocket your profits on Amazon Kindle. Uncover the secrets to optimizing your ebook for Amazon Kindle, ensuring it reaches a wider audience and generates substantial profits. Affiliate marketing strategies. Explore how to boost your earnings through affiliate marketing, promoting products related to your ebook's niche, and earning commissions. 10 detailed training videos. Our course comprises 10 detailed training videos that provide a step-by-step guide on every aspect of ebook creation with ChatGPT, from conceptualization to publication. No prior experience required. This course is tailored for both beginners and seasoned writers. No prior technical knowledge is required, making it a perfect learning platform for everyone. You will get lifetime access to this ChatGPT training, with a one-time payment for this powerful How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT Video Training course. We give you a 30-day 100% satisfaction guarantee. We stand behind the value we provide in this How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT Video Training course. Support and guidance. Our dedicated support team is always available to assist you on your ebook writing journey, ensuring a smooth learning experience. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Take the leap today and transform your writing aspirations into a reality. The How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT Video Training is not just a course, it's your gateway to becoming a published author in the digital realm. Click below to enroll now and embark on a rewarding journey of ebook writing and publishing with ChatGPT.